The products, ooh, it's super dark. What I thought I was doing. Let's put this over here. Okay, this. Okay, that's cute. That's cute. Okay, that's cute. What's up, everyone? It's your girl Sage Monet, and of course, I am back with another video. So today we will be doing a teeth whitening video, and without further ado, I don't want to do too much talking because this video I'm excited to do. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share with a friend and follow me on Instagram at @TheSageMonet. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so the products I will be using today is baking soda, lemon juice, and that's it. Baking soda and lemon juice. Wow. So I will be putting it in this little container right here so I can save it for later and use it like until it's gone. I don't know any measurements, once again, of course. Typical Tasia. So I will be just, you know, winging it or whatever. And let's get started. All of these products I got from Walmart. You can get from your local store. Also, guys, when I'm doing videos like this, do you want long videos or short videos? Baking soda. I get baking soda. Scoop it in. So this is 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna put 3 just in case, you know. Just in case. Okay, so my teeth usually be white, but based on what I eat, like my teeth can get yellow. Like if I drink pop, my teeth will be yellow. If I don't eat healthy, my teeth will be yellow. But if I eat healthy, if I eat good, my teeth will usually be white. But I don't want mine super white, you know, like veneers type of white. Okay, I need the whitest of the white. Okay, I don't need off-white. I need milk white. Ooh, milk white. Oh, it's fizzing. Oh my God, that's cool. Let me show y'all. Look at that. It's so cool. To the bathroom, so I will meet you guys in the bathroom, okay? And I'm back. Hello. So this is how it looks now. Why do my teeth look so different? Maybe I've been smiling too hard. I'm like, but I definitely see a difference. It's definitely getting whiter and whiter as time go by, and they look good. Like, cheese, it's me. But yeah, I give this a 5-star, 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 5-star. If I keep doing this like maybe twice a week, or yeah, like twice a week, then my teeth will literally stay white. Like, I can definitely see the difference. Y'all see I'm just smiling everywhere. Try this at home, guys. Try this at home, okay? And stay consistent with it. Don't do it every day, because I heard baking soda is not good to use on your teeth every day. So twice a week. Recommend some videos you guys want me to do next. It doesn't matter. It can be like DIYs, it can be whatever, guys. Just recommend. Let's just have some fun. Thank you guys for tuning in into this DIY do it yourself at home whiten your teeth. Mwah. I love you guys always.